Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making Kerala style fish curry. In a blender, onion 1 cup, coconut half cup, chili powder 3 tablespoon, turmeric half tablespoon, coriander powder 2 tablespoon. Make fine paste. Coconut oil 5 tablespoon. Now add coconut onion paste, water half cup, mix everything. Chopped tomato 1 cup, handful of curry leaves, green chilies 4. Cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Now add tamarind water 1/4 cup, salt as per taste. Cook for 10 minutes. Now add fish 500 grams. Cook for 10 minutes on low heat. Now it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.